Hi, it's me again. I'm a little Buzz Lightyear right now. But, oh my god. I wanted to do this review for you. So let's get into it. Some honey chocolate M&Ms along with my smashed finger. Let's try it out. Oh, can't forget. Everyone knows the rules. One bite. It's a little floppy. Well, I'll tell you right now, shit is ass. Yuck. Ugh. That kind of tastes like peanut butter. Chocolate M&M's at first. Kind of turns into a rancid taste. And then you start wondering, am I chewing dirt right now? Crunchy dirt? Honey roasted M&Ms. You get an F on your report card. I ain't even gonna eat the rest of these. Fuck that. Ew. You get an F on your report card, M&Ms.